Hi! I guess I have bad luck with mice. I have bought this mouse 2 years ago and it's already falling apart. This sensor is actually my favorite. However, in a couple of months, the rubber grip started to peel. I guess the glue they used is not adequate. When the outside grip fell, and silicone is really hard to glue, I've just replaced it with a bit of carton. 2 years later, and the left mouse button is starting to have problems, so I'm just going to replace it. First, we need to peel the Teflon pads. This way we have access to the screws. Now we carefully disconnect the ribbon cable. To take the PCB out, we need to remove 4 additional screws. To make the process easier, I'm going to use a desoldering pump. It is just like a soldering iron, but it is hollow on the inside to suck the solder. One of the pins of the switch is soldered to a very good ground plane. That means it absorbs a lot of heat, so I will use my soldering iron to provide a bit of extra heat. If one of the holes is covered, we need to clean it before trying to stick the new switch in there. This is the part number of the original switches. I'm sure they came a lot shorter than the advertised 50 million clicks though. I'm going to replace the original Omron switches with C and K ones. I like these ones a lot. Now we just need to place the new switches in there. Just make sure you put them in the right orientation. Apply a bit of flux. And solder them in place. I'm going to test to make sure everything works before closing. Now that I know it works, we just assemble everything again.